Today I'll talk about Copy Clipper. Copy Clipper is the AI-powered clipboard manager that lets you save, search, and modify text instantly. TLDR is to organize and retrieve text snippets effortlessly across devices, enhance copy text with AI, extract text from images, and streamline workflows. And alternative Copy Clipper's alternative Asana, ClickUp, Trello, and best for consultants, freelancer, marketers, and many more. Okay, and your personal clipboard manager like Copy Clippers, your personal clipboard manager like bookmarks, but for all your text. Okay, number 1 clipboard manager, 4.95 star rating, impactful productivity app. This is Copy Clipper. With copy text snippets with one click, use cases, repetitive emails, AI text prompts, marketing copy, company information, sales proposals, coding snippets. And modify your text snippets with AI to meet your specific needs. Okay? Then copy text any source anytime, even from image, videos, and PDF. And Copy Clippers type up to 1000 characters each month. Copy Clippers can reduce your input by up to 37%. Okay, and Copy Clippers plan and feature, deal, terms and condition, lifetime access to Copy Clipper. You must redeem your course within 60 days of purchase. All feature yearly plan update. Please note, this deal is not stackable. Copy Clipper is for Mac and iOS only. And 60 days money back guarantee trial out of 2 months to make sure it's right for you. Because this tool Copy Clippers is listing is AppSumo marketplace just for $29. One-time payment, get lifetime access with some feature you can see. And this product just you can use your business or others purpose. Okay.